Hello and namaste to everyone. It's me Anta Punmagar from Gachipani, Tanahu. I study in Banbakta Plus 2 School of Law, Pokhara 1 Simpani. I study in class 2B. Today I am going to talk about the concept of property. Here we go. The term property is derived from the Latin word propinquitatia, which means a thing owned. Property can be defined as an object over the right of ownership extended over which one has a special right to use, control and disposal. In the widened sense, all animate or inanimate things belonging to an individual includes as a property. Property can be defined as an exclusive right to the things. It contains not only the right to use those things but a right to dispose them, either by exchanging them for any other objects or giving them away to any other persons without any consideration. According to Muliki Civil Code 2074, Section 351 defines property as any cash or object which can be used, purchased, sold or transferred to obtain some type of benefit. According to Loki, the personality of every individual is his or her property. Types of property. There are two types of property. One is movable and immovable property. Another is tangible and intangible property. Movable and immovable property. The property which can be transferred from one place to another place easily is known as movable property. In shortly, movable property is that type of property which is not permanently attached in the land. For examples, vehicles, gold, cash, etc. Immovable property. Immovable property is that type of property which cannot be transferred from one place to another place without any alternation in its original from a particular property. In shortly, immovable property are those types of property which is permanently attached in the land or ground. For example, house, tree, land, etc. Tangible and intangible property. This classification of property is based on the existence and non-existence or the non-existence of the property in the physical form. Tangible property is that type of property which is in the physical form, which can be seen, touched or felt. Tangible property are, in shortly, tangible property are those types of property which have physical existence. For example, vehicles, machine, building, etc. Intangible property. Intangible property are those types of property which exist but neither can be seen, nor can be touched or felt. In shortly, intangible property are those types of property which have no physical existence. For example, patent, copyright, software, computer program, etc. In the last, thank you.